32, a three-phase Y-connected system, 240 volt per phase. Ito yung ZA, ZB, then ZC. So, pag positive sequence, walang lalabas. Kasi yung mga voltages natin, VAN 240 angle 0 degrees. Per phase na siya, kaya wala nang square root of 3. VBN is 240 angle negative 120 degrees. Then VCN is equal to 240 angle 120 degrees. Ang tinatanong naman yung current sa C. IC is BCN divided by JC. Pag ito yung ginamit natin, walang lalabas. Kaya ang gagamitin natin yung negative. Sequence. So, ganun pa rin yung pwesto ng VAN. Pero mag-iiba ng pwesto yung BB at saka BC. So, BBN, kung dun sa positive ay angle negative 120 siya, so magiging angle 120 siya dito sa negative. Then BCN is 240 angle negative 120 degrees. So yung IC 240 angle negative 120 degrees volts divided by JC is 9.83 minus J 6.88. Kahit i-try nyo ito, walang lalabas na sagot. Yan, halimbawa, 240 angle 240 angle 120 divided by JC 9.83. Tinatry natin itong positive minus 6.88 J. O wala, negative 18. Wala yan sa choices. Pero pag ginawa nating negative, meron 1.7392. Then minus J 19. So, yung negative ang susundan natin. Positive and then negative. So, letter D. Naka-per-phase naman na siya, kaya 200 din na siya i-divide ng square root of 3. Okay, 33. 3 impedances, JAB, 4 minus J3, JBC is 3 plus J4 ohms. JCA is 10 plus J, 0 ohms. They are connected in delta. So my power AB, my power CA, then my power sa BC. So yung total power is equal to PAB plus PBC. Additive pa rin kahit anong connection. Ano yung PAB? So EAB divided by ZAB. Yan yung current squared times resistance AB plus EBC magnitude divided by JBC squared times RBC. Then plus current, yung EBC divided by JBC, maka-current yan, IBC squared times RBC. ECA divided by JCA. So magnitude squared times RCA. Magnitude, huwag nyo nang pakialaman yung angle. Pwede nyo nang i-omit. Divided by 4 minus J3. Then squared times 4. Then plus 220. So yung per phase, voltage is equal to line voltage. So 220 yung JBC is 3 plus J4 squared. So yung kagandahan ng naka-delta, pwede mong i-analyze per phase. Pero pag naka-Y yan, kailangan may transform. RBC, ano yung resistance ng impedance BC? Yung real part 3. Then plus magnitude ECA, magnitude niya ay 220 pa rin, divided by 10, then squared times 10. What is the total power consumed of the circuit? Siguro yung mga tao squared times 4 plus squared times 3, then plus yung nasa dulo, 220 squared divided by 10. So 18,392. So letter B. A 480 volt, 3-phase, 3-wire source supplies to a combination of industrial loads. 34. Yung IA, so 55.78. Paki-troubleshoot. Negative 59.4 degrees. Tama. Yung IB, ano ba yung IB ko na? Tama yung ano, 43.85 IB. Wala dito yun. Positive. Yung IB positive. Paki-change to. Then yung IC positive din. Nakalimutan kong alisin. So IC is equal to 48 angle positive din siya, 71.3. Alisin nyo lang yung sign. Nung kinopya ko ata dito, nakalimutan kong alisin yung negative. Determine the total power drawn from the source. Okay? So ako nang mamimili, no? Line A and line B tayo. So, ayan yung current coil. Then, voltage coil. Current coil. Voltage coil. Then, yung line C, yun yung common connection. C. This is B, then A. So, ito, magko-connect siya dun sa C. So, yung nami-measure nito ay A. Yung nami-measure ng wattmeter dun sa B ay B. Ito naman, yung voltage nito, EAC. Yung isa, siya yung connection niya from A to C, kaya EAC. Take note of the subscript. Then, EBC to. EAC, EBC. So, hindi na tayo ang ilalagay natin. So, EAB, i-angle 0 na natin to. So, 480, angle 0 degrees. EBC, 480, angle 120 degrees. Negative. Then, ECA is 480, angle 120 degrees. So, tama yan. Kailangan natin ng EAC. So, EAC is negative of ECA. So, that will be 480. So, ang original angle niya ay 180 degrees. Para ma-incorporate natin yung negative, magma-plus 1 tayo dito. Plus 180 degrees. So, ECA is 480 angle 300 degrees. Or that is 480 angle negative 60 degrees. Yung equivalent ng 300 degrees is equal to negative 60 degrees. So, yung wattmeter reading sa A, that will be the magnitude of EAC times the magnitude of IA times the cosine of the angle difference between the two. Theta IA minus theta EAC. This is 480 volts times IA. Yung magnitude niya, 55.78 times cosine of theta IA is negative 59. Ito yung theta IA. Yung angle ng current IA, negative 59.4. Then minus negative 60. What is WA? Medyo malaki-laki ng konti yan. 480 times 55.78 times cosine negative 59.4 minus negative 60. 26,772. 0.932. Tapos yung WB, nandito siya sa line B. So, ang magiging reading niya ay based sa formula na to. WB is equal to, ano yung voltage niya? Voltage coil niya ito, yung between two lines. So, from line B to line C. So, EBC. Then, yung current coil niya, it is measuring IB. So, IB. Then, multiplied by the cosine of the angle difference between the two. So, what will be the value? EBC, parehas pa rin yung magnitude niya, 480. Times IB, 43.78. 33.85 times cosine of theta IB 176.7, then minus EBC negative 120 degrees. Negative. Okay. 480 times 43.85. Parang may mali ah. Times cosine 176.7 9457. EBC 9457.266. So yung total power is WA plus WB. Adding the two. $36 to $30. Point something. So 36.230 kilowatts. Meron. Parang may mali ako ah. Ganyan lang. Ay hindi, ganyan. Tama. Ano nangyari doon? Phase B. Tama pa rin, 36.224. Nag-per-phase pala ako doon sa original na solution. Okay, 35. Bumalik. 4 wire yan. Ibabalance niya yung voltage. So, pwede kayong magkaroon ng BAN, BBN, and BCN. So, ma-impress yan sa ZA, then ZP, then ZC. So, what will be the total power? So, PT is equal to PA plus PB plus PC. Pag 4 wire, mayroon kayong balance voltage per phase. Kahit unbalance yung load. Yun yung kagandahan nito. Yung 3-phase 4-wire system. So, mayroong binigay na board exam, sa board exam na question, na objective, alin ang pinaka-the best na connection. 3-phase 4-wire for unbalance. Yun ang sagot niya, 3-phase 4-wire system. So, PA, so that will be the voltage VAN divided by ZA squared times RA plus BBN over ZB magnitude squared times RB, then plus BCN. Ma-impress na yung mga voltages na to independently sa ZA, ZB at saka ZC. Then squared, current squared times the resistance. So 208 over square root of 3 divided by 10 plus J10. Then squared times 10 plus 208 per phase, kaya divided by square root of 3 divided by 13 minus J2. Then squared times 13. Then plus 208 over square root of 3 divided by 7.5 plus J10. Then squared times 7.5. Then plus 10J squared. Then times 10 plus 208 divided by square root of 3. 13 minus 2J. Then squared plus, yung nasa last ko na tayo. 208 divided by square root of 3 divided by 7.5 plus 10J. Then squared times 7.5. Kumuntik ng maubusan ng space. So 1496 point 651. So, nearest siya sa letter B. Ay. Ay, wala na. Oh, mali tuloy. Okay. Salamat. Mali yung sagot ay 2,496.975 or 2.497 kilowatts. Nagbago, sorry. Mali yung napindot ko. Kulangan ng space. A three-phase four-wire system has the following unbalanced load, Z1, Z2, and Z3. The line to neutral voltage of the system is 120 volts. So what is the reading of the wattmeter in Z3? Ay, ganun pa rin yung pan natin. What is P3? So E3 over Z3 magnitude squared times Z3 or R3. 3-phase 4-wire. So, balance pa rin yung 120 divided by Z3, 20. Then, the quantity squared, then times 20. Balance pa rin yun. 4-wire eh. So, 120 squared divided by 20. So, 720 watts. Letter B. Wala lang kung yung Z1, Z2. So, dito tayo nag-concentrate. Kasi Z3 eh, power. Kung ano yung reading, yung wattmeter, that means power. Ito naman yung voltage niya. Okay. 37. Find the negative sequence of phase A current. So, yung IAO, 1/3 yan ng IA plus IB plus IC. Yung IA1, 1/3 of IA. Ito na. Hindi ko nakabisado ulit yung formula. 1/3 of IA plus AIB plus A squared IC. Then, IA2, ito yung zero sequence. Ito yung positive sequence component. Ito galing sa fourth theorem. So, 1/3 of IA plus A squared IB plus AIC. Kung voltages yan, palitan nyo lang ito. VA, VB, then VC. VAO, VA1, VA2. This is negative. Cis means angle. Okay? So what is, ito yung tinatanong dun sa problem. Phase A current. So diretso, IA2, kung ano yung result dyan, yan yung magiging sagot natin. IA is 10 angle negative 30 degrees plus A squared times 0. What is A? 1 angle 120 degrees. Yung A squared, 1 angle 240 degrees. So, plus 1 angle 120 degrees times IC is 10 angle 150 degrees. So, what is IA2? So, sa mga choices, sila. Yung ito, naka-rectangular. Yung dalawa. So, 1/3 of 10 angle negative 30 plus 0 naman yung IB, kaya hindi na natin lalagay. 0 lang din yung lalabas. 1 angle 120 times 10 angle 150. Shift 23. 5.7735. Angle negative 60. Or 5.7735 cis negative 60 degrees. Yung C doon, cosine, ay sine. Yung pagkuha ng real part niyan, 5.7735 times cosine negative 60. Positive pa rin yan. Yung imaginary part niya, 5.7735 times sine negative 60. IS. Yun yung symbol nila, yung mga ibang libro. So, letter B.